Hello friends, I'm back with another video. In this video, we will be talking about the weather in nature. I hope you enjoy it. Stay with me. The weather in nature. Fire. A rapid chemical reaction that releases heat and light, often destructive. The fire kept us warm. Refers to heat and light produced by combustion. Hot. Having a high temperature or producing heat. It's too hot to go outside. Describes something with high heat or temperature. Cold. Having a low temperature, the opposite of hot. The water is too cold to swim. Describes a low temperature. Sunny. Bright with sunlight, no clouds. It's a sunny day at the beach. Refers to clear skies with sunlight. Cloud. A visible mass of condensed water vapor floating in the atmosphere. The cloud looks like a rabbit. Refers to condensed water vapor in the sky. Cloudy. Covered with clouds, often making the sky gray. It's cloudy, so we can't see the sun. Describes a sky filled with clouds. Rain. Water droplets falling from the sky, often in showers. We stayed inside because of the rain. Refers to precipitation in the form of water. Rainy. Having a lot of rain or frequent rain. It's a rainy afternoon. Describes a day with rain. Snowy. Covered with or characterized by falling snow. It was a snowy winter day. Describes a day with snow on the ground or in the air. Ice. Frozen water, a solid state of water often seen in cold conditions. The lake is covered in ice. Refers to frozen water. Nature. The physical world and everything in it, like plants, animals, landscapes, and weather. We went for a hike to enjoy nature. Refers to the outdoors and the natural environment. Sun. The star at the center of our solar system that provides light and heat to Earth. The sun sets early in winter. Refers to the star that lights the day. Moon. The natural satellite of Earth, visible mostly at night and reflecting sunlight. The full moon lit up the night sky. Refers to Earth's natural satellite. Earth. The planet we live on, the third planet from the Sun. Earth is home to millions of species. refers to the planet we live on. Sky. The expanse of air over the Earth, where clouds and celestial bodies are visible. The sky was clear and blue. Refers to the space over Earth, visible from the ground. River. A large, natural stream of water flowing toward the sea or a lake. The river flows through the valley. Refers to a natural watercourse. Sea. A large body of salt water that covers much of the Earth's surface. We swam in the warm sea. Refers to large saltwater bodies surrounding continents. Mountain. A large natural elevation of the Earth's surface, rising prominently. They climbed the mountain last summer. Refers to a large elevation of land. Beach. A sandy or pebbly shore next to a body of water, such as an ocean or lake. We spent the day at the beach. Refers to the shore of a body of water. Forest. A large area covered with trees and other vegetation. We hiked through the forest. Refers to a large area filled with trees. Island. A piece of land completely surrounded by water. They visited a tropical island for vacation. Refers to a landmass surrounded by water. Star. A luminous point in the night sky that is a distant sun. We saw many stars in the sky last night. Refers to distant suns visible in the sky at night. Tree. A large plant with a trunk, branches, and leaves. The tree in our yard is over 100 years old. Refers to large, woody plants with trunks and leaves. Flower. The bloom or blossom of a plant, often colorful and fragrant. She picked a red flower from the garden. Refers to the part of a plant where seeds are produced. Weather. The condition of the atmosphere at a particular time, including temperature, precipitation, and wind. The weather is sunny today. Refers to atmospheric conditions like sun, rain, snow, etc. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our educational content. Support me by liking the videos, sharing them with your friends, and sharing your thoughts and questions in the comments. Let's learn together.